Want to blast your YouTube channel across the internet like a rocket? Here's how to grab that essential link. First, head over to youtube.com and make sure you're logged into the account that hosts your channel. Look up here in the top right corner and click on your profile picture. A menu will pop up. From this menu, you'll see an option that clearly says your channel. Go ahead and click on that. Now you're on your own channel page. See this bar at the very top of your web browser? That's the address bar, and it holds your unique YouTube channel URL. To get that link, simply click once inside the address bar to highlight the entire URL. Then, you can right-click on the highlighted text and select copy, or you can use your keyboard shortcut. On Windows, that's Ctrl-C, and on a Mac, it's Command-C. And that's it. You've successfully copied your YouTube channel URL. Now you can paste it anywhere in a text message, an email, a social media post, or even your email signature to easily share your amazing content. Sharing your channel URL is a fantastic way to promote your awesome videos and start growing your audience. Go out there and share your creativity.